Hi, welcome to MYO. I'm Victoria and I have created this pattern of a laptop case to you. So this laptop case is made by two colors of our ribbon yarn and a crochet hook in size 10. It's very easy and quick to make because you're using double yarns during the whole project. If you're going to create one of these, don't forget to post and share it on social media. You can tag us makeyourown.se and we will be super happy to see your beautiful laptop cases. Thank you so much for choosing Make Your Own and happy crocheting! Okay, so we will start this project by doing a slip knot, and I used to do like this, putting the yarn in this way, and then pick it up with my fingers like this, grab the yarn and pull through like this. And then I will use my 10mm crochet hook and fasten a little bit. So I will start chain the total amount of the width of my laptop, so it will fit it. So I will take my laptop. Okay, so I will make the length like this. How to chain is you grab the yarn and pull it through the slip knot like this, and this is the first chain, and then we will do until we have reached the length of this side, and then I will put one extra like this. Okay, so now we will make it will become a pocket. So we will go back here again and we will put the crochet hook inside here in the second chain stitch and grab the yarn. Comes up, grab the yarn again and pull through like this. So this is our single crochets, and then we will continue in this one. So we will continue when we comes back to this chain. So by making this one becomes a pocket, we will go back on the other side of this chain stitches. So we will start here and then here and here and so on. So as you can see here, this is the very first chain stitch, and here is the first space I will put my hook in. Grab the tail so it will be weaved in. And I will continue with my single crochets also. And okay, so remember not to pull it too tight because it can be complicated, as you see. And here, pull out. Okay, I will fold it also, and I will continue all the way to the edge here and come back to you. Okay, so we are back to the edge and it's starting to look like this. We will fold it a little bit because this is the bottom of the laptop case. And now it's super simple. We are just going to find the loops and continue around and round and round and round until you reaching your, oh, what's happening here? Until we reach the size we want on our laptop case. So here, 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 and like round and round
I will come back to you when we have finished the whole round. Okay, now we're really starting to see that it will be a pocket, and I love this color combo. Okay, great. So the following steps is just super simple. We will continue round and round and round and round until we reach the size like this of the computer. And then I will come back to you and we will fasten off and cut off the yarn together. Okay, so we have crocheted all the way up until we are happy with the size of the laptop case. And yeah, I'm very happy with how it looks like right now and where it ends, because it's covering properly. So now we will go ahead and cut off the yarn and we will fasten it. And we are going to pull out the whole tail, and then we are going to go from the inside and put over the yarn like this and come inside with it. And there are many ways to fasten off your yarn, and I will do it in a way. Okay, and then I will go inside a loop, and then I will grab some yarn and I will go back again until it looks like this. And again I will go from the inside. I'll find a loop here and only take one blue and come here, and then I will make a knot so I know they are complete secured. Make one more knot like this and just hide the yarn tails. And we are finished with our laptop case. Wow.